Hello everyone, my name is Michael and I am the Crafty Crocheter, and I will be discussing my opinion on the recent closure sales that are occurring at JoAnn Fabrics nationwide. Now, according to Joann's website, it does say all stores are closing, take up to 40% off store wide. And then they have their little disclaimer stating that due to the high demand that they can no longer fulfill online orders, so you have to actually go to their stores to fulfill your needs. And then they have fabric and sewing supplies up to 40% off, but then when you get to the yarn, it's only 25%. So it's kind of a huge discrepancy between the 40 and the 25. So you would think that to satisfy us crocheters better, they would up the percentage to at least 30 to 35 just to keep up with the 40%. And sewing machines are 10%, but we're not here to discuss about sewing machines. But yeah, it's kind of what irritates me is that these sales, it seems like these are, judging by what I'm seeing here, it doesn't seem as if these sales are really worth it. I was at my local Joann's recently and I did see that the yarn section was really becoming depleted as there was not a whole lot of yarn options to choose from, despite the sign on their doors stating that they were getting in new shipments daily from their warehouse. Has anyone else seen this at their local Joann's? Do y'all think that these sales are really worth the hassle? This crocheter certainly doesn't think so. I don't really believe that it's truly a clearance discount whenever you're paying almost full price for yarn and crocheting accessories, i.e. crochet hooks and the like. I mean, sure, 25% off is better than no discount, but still. Anyway, feel free to let me know what y'all think about this subject and of these discounts. And is this a trend that y'all are seeing at your local Joann's? And as far as a closure date, they haven't really determined that yet. As far as my last trip, I overheard the cashier. They were saying the person was saying that basically they're just going to shut down all the stores whenever their supplies run out. So it can vary from store to store. And hopefully this will allow Michael's, Walmart, and Hobby Lobby to wake up and seize the golden opportunity to step up their game and to provide more yarn options for us crocheters. Let me know what you all think about this. Well, that's all I have to say about this subject. And as always, don't forget to like and subscribe. Take care of yourself and each other.